After enjoying a nice breakfast and seeing a sunny morning outside, I knew it wouldn't last long. One thing people always say is to not visit Vietnam during the rainy season, since you won't have clear skies to get those picturesque views. But I disagree. I mean, after all, this is Vietnam. You think they ride around in sunny weather all year? In my opinion, riding in the rain only adds to the experience. And honestly, it's kind of fun.
I keep on thinking about you, sister golden hair surprise. And I just can't live without you. Can't you see it in my eyes? I've been one more responder. I've been too hard to find. But it doesn't mean I ain't been on the mind. Will you meet me? Will you meet me in the end? Will you love me just a little, just enough to show you care? Will I try to fake it? I don't mind saying I just can't make it.
All right, so the rain's been holding up for a little bit, and I'm biking through this valley right now.